welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium Gestures series using Appium Inspector Gestures Tab, in this video we will see how we can able to perform tab gestures using Appium Inspector. Okay, so I have opened the Appium Inspector and my Appium server is running and my emulator also is running it. Okay, so just create the I start a session here. So I have selected simple capabilities with the platform name Android and automation name UI Automator 2. So just click on start session. So my session will start now. Just wait for a few seconds. So Appium Inspector Builders screen is displayed here. Okay, as you know, we have to click on the gestures tab where you can able to create a gesture here. Okay, so I want to do the tab gesture. I want to perform a tab gesture. Okay, so for this demo we take this thing. So I have opened the API demos app. So I had to tap on views so that I can go to the next screen. Okay, I had to perform a tab on the views section here. So how we can able to create a tab gesture in API Inspector. So we'll see here. So we have this screen called gestures and we have the saved gestures screen here. Okay, now we had to create a new gesture called tab gesture. So I had to click on this first plus symbol which says create new gesture. Just click on that one. So we had to provide the title here. Title I say tab gesture demo. So I given the title and description also I can provide it. So I had added the description says demo gesture to perform tab. Okay, tab. Okay, that's it. So the default is a percentage here. So show coordinates of move actions in the screen dimension percentage. So I want to select the pixel here. So I select the pixel here. Okay, and here we not perform any action. So it is in question mark. Okay, action type not defined it's saying. Okay, so first one is the so I just refresh the screen. Okay, I want to perform a tap. I want to click on this one. Means I have to tap on this views. Okay, so how we can able to do it? So normal what we'll do in mobile. So first of all, the first action is I want to move the finger onto this particular element here. Okay, by using x and y coordinates. Okay, that is the first action. So if you go here, the type action type. So we had to click on the drop down and select move. Okay, this move action which will be mimic such a way that so I am moving my finger on this view element by using the x and y coordinates. So I want to move the finger here, right? Just click on this views. That's it. So here I perform the move action and I click on this view and you can see here the red symbol here and we got the x and y coordinates here. So if I mouse over here, you can see the same thing here. See 163 and 1796. Okay, so I got the x and y coordinates of this particular element. Means I am moving my finger here. Okay, once I move the finger here, the next action what I need to perform, that is the I want to touch the screen. Okay, that I want to touch the screen, I want to press it. So this next action will be, okay, see here we have move, point down, point up and pass. Okay, and next one I had to pointer down, means I had to touch the screen, and default is on left, or keep it like that only. And next action, say after touching it I want to wait for few milliseconds. Okay, so for that one what action type we have to select here is that is a pause, means I have to pause the time and I will give in the milliseconds. It asks for milliseconds here, so I say 2 milliseconds. Okay, so just move the finger here, touch the element and pause for 2 milliseconds. Okay, and now after passing for 2 milliseconds, okay, I want to lift my finger. So what action I have to select here? Action type pointer up. Okay, and I keep the left here. Okay, left option enabled only. So I not want to change it. So I keep the left only. Okay, so what I did here for this one, I have moved my finger on this element. Okay, and by using x and y coordinates, there is a pixels. Okay, and then I touch the element. Okay, option, that is the option, and the default left, and then for 2 milliseconds I waited here for 2 milliseconds, and then I lifted my finger from this one. Okay, so all these actions we are performing by using the WC Actions API, the same mimicking here. Okay, there also we are creating the pointer input sequence. Okay, the same thing here. So this is the pointer input. Okay, so here I am defining the virtual finger. Okay, and you know we can able to change this one also. So I say finger 1. So you can change we can no need to keep the pointer 1 here. I can update here. Means it is a virtual finger, consider like that. And this is actions, that is a sequence class, what we have done in the action WT Actions API, right? Same thing here. Add action we are giving, right? Create pointer move. So like the same thing, it is a create pointer move. This is a create pointer down. This is a pass, new pass time we are giving, and this is a create pointer up. The same mimicking here. Okay, so you can see here also, you see this, when you mouse over this one arrow, see this represents the move. Okay, when you mouse over it says move, duration 0 milliseconds, x and y in pixel, and here is down. So you can see the arrow down means pointer down. By seeing this one also visually you can say, see this is the pass for duration 2 milliseconds, and you can see the up arrow means pointer up. Okay, we are visualizing here. So in tab we are using the only one finger, so I am creating only one finger here. Okay, and the actions I created. Okay, now this is done, and I want to save this one. Okay, I want to save. Otherwise, before save, I want to see is this particular gesture is working or not. So what I will do, we have the option called play. Just click on play. So it has to tap. See, it's tapped here. Okay, and once again I click here. See, don't consider that I am clicking on view here, but I am clicking based upon the pixel, that is the x and y coordinate. Whatever here I can do it here. See, now my red symbol is on gallery. If I play, it click once again. It will tap once again. Means here we are considering the x and y coordinates. Okay, so I once again want to play. See, went. Okay, and now what I will do, I click on back here. So this gesture we can not only use for the views, we can use for any screen or any element, but the particular element should be in this area, that is the x and y coordinates only. Okay, so this is the condition here. Okay, suppose you want to change it, I don't want only on this particular x and y coordinate. How can you change? Okay, simple, very simple. You can see here this symbol, right? Okay, click on this one. Okay, and just click on I want to animate, means I want to change the position. You can see here our x and y coordinates also changed. So by using this particular icon, I can able to shift the focus from this x and y coordinates to this one. Okay, suppose I want to click on animation. See, just run it. Click on animation. Just a minute. I want to just move here. It should be enabled. Okay. And just I want to run it. See, I am performing a tap on animation. Okay. Now I want to shift the focus from here to loading. Okay. This is enabled. Just click on there. This focus is changed. The red dot is changed. They click on run. Play. So now we perform a tap. Okay. So this is how we can able to create the tap gesture. Okay, and we can run it. Okay, and based on these gestures in this Appium inspector runs on the x and y coordinates, that is a pixel or percentage. So this is not applicable if we create a tab gesture. It is not applicable on what the element you created, okay, on the base upon x and y coordinates. Suppose I want to change the application here, okay. So what I do, I save it, okay. Before running, I will save it, okay. Save, okay. It said tab gesture demo description, demo gesture to perform tab, and date, created date also, okay. Now what I want to do, I will change focus to other application here. So I go to the emulator. So I just click here, close here, and what I will do, I will just open the first to home app, okay, and I want to perform this gesture. So I created only one gesture. I want to perform this gesture on another app also. We'll see how it will do it, okay. Just wait, the app will open, and just refresh here so that I get the screenshot of the particular app, okay. Now I want to click on this fruit and vegetables, and I want to perform this tab gesture demo, okay. Just, okay, see, if I move here, you can see the red dot, right? Means it's saying that if we are moving this gesture, moving on this gesture, my focus means I can able tap here, okay. What I will do, just I'll move it here, I will just move it, okay. Now see, just refresh so that I can just click on this option. Yeah, see, my gesture is see, pointing out here, so you can do a red mark. I just say run, means it has to click on this atta rice dal, okay. Just play. See, means we create a gesture based on pixel x and y coordinates, and we can run this tab gesture on any application which is on focus in our Android mobile, okay. This is how we can able to perform the tab gesture, okay. Now what I want to edit this gesture, okay. So I want to change. Now I say instead of this one, I say pass. I want to save the pass for 1 second. I can change it here, okay. Small change in tab, you cannot perform any major changes. So I say let's just change the, I want to show the edit option here, so I just change the pass time here. So I want to say save, okay, save. And if I want to run, I will run it here. Just say refresh, okay. And next I want to perform the gesture. So my focus is here. So what I will do, I want to shift the focus here, okay. So I don't want to update here. So I want to, my focus should be, I want to click on this one, okay. My focus is changed. You can see the red mark here. So I want this done. It has to perform tap on this particular item, okay. So I can update here also. You can see the red dot here. And now I want to save. Save. So I will go back here. Just click on this one. So I have saved here. I went back, okay. And what I will do, I just go back here, and I saved here, right? And I want to download this gesture, okay. I create one gesture on tab. I just say download. So we can able to download this gesture in .json file, okay. I say this one, and I will say as desktop. Save it, okay. I can able to download the gesture also. Now what I will do, I will open the desktop and open this saved gesture JSON. See, when I open this JSON gesture, you can see here name. So whatever name I provided in here, see, if I open here, just click on this one. Otherwise I edit here to show the details. See, the name I provided is tab gesture demo description, demo gesture to perform tab, finger 1, okay, and the pointer move 54.2 duration. And you say here also, say second action, the second action is pointer down, okay. Here also I can update here, okay. Here also I can update, I can upload there, okay. I'll show the demo also here. So I say here, I'll just say tab demo gesture 1 2 3. I changed here, and finger, I say finger 2, Okay, and past duration I will just change to 3. Save here, just say save. Okay, I can update here also. Okay, I updated here, and then I'll go back to the Appium inspector. Okay, and then I want to import here. What I will do, I just change the name. Just change the name, just a minute. Okay, it is happening. Okay, what I will do, I say gesture demo 1 2 3, just give the other name here and go back to the Appium inspector. So I can upload the JSON file. Okay, I just upload because I changed the name here. So upload here. Okay, so uploaded here. You can see I changed the name in the JSON. I given the tab gesture demo 1 2 3. Okay, and I want to edit. You can see that what are the edit I did here. It update. See the past time I changed, right? 3 milliseconds. The finger I changed to finger 2. Okay, and the position also I kept it here. Okay, so what are the changes I done in the JSON? I repeated here. I want to run it here. See, I just refresh. I want to run this one. Okay, so what I will do, I want to click on add. Okay, so I just change the our x and y coordinates, the focus from here to here, so that, so I just save. Now I'll run it. So gesture saved and just run. So to click on add. So this is the way we can able to perform the gestures. We can able to create the gesture, tab gesture, by using the Appium inspector option gestures tab. Okay, I want to go back. Okay, and you can able to save here. Okay, this is how we can able to perform the tab gesture in Appium inspector. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye.